The FOSC Enhanced Slack Basket delivers greater slack storage capacity for loose buffer or ribbon fibers compared to legacy solutions. The FOSC Premium Slack Basket offers all the benefits of the Enhanced Basket, but includes retention and adjustable tabs that can be raised or lowered for additional storage and fiber management. If additional splice or splitting functions are needed, holders may be added to the basket. Other features include added tie-down points, hook and loop strap retention, and a fiber pick holder. The following segments will show how to replace a legacy FOSC storage basket with an enhanced, premium, or low-profile basket. To replace the FOSC 450A legacy basket with an enhanced basket, remove the 2 screws holding the basket and screw in the enhanced basket. To replace the FOSC 450B legacy basket with an enhanced or premium basket, remove the 2 screws holding the basket and slide the enhanced basket into place. Once snapped into position, no additional screws are needed. To replace the FOSC 450C legacy basket with an enhanced or premium basket, lever down the retaining tab on the basket and firmly pull the basket off the holding arm. Next, slide the premium basket into place. To replace the FOSC 450D legacy basket with an enhanced or premium basket, open the tabs on the existing basket to slide off the old basket. If you're removing an older metal basket, move the retainer tab, then slide off the old basket. Finally, slide the new premium basket into place. To replace the FOSC 450D legacy basket with a low-profile basket, remove any existing basket, then slide the low-profile basket into place. To configure the retention tabs on the premium basket, push the retention tab into the desired position. The curved side will be down. If using an adjustable tab, the retention tab will be in a lower position. To remove or reposition the tab, use a fiber pick tool or a small slotted screwdriver to push away the pins from the basket slots. The premium tray will ship with adjustable tabs pre-installed in the tall position. To remove or reposition the tab, use a fiber pick tool or a small slotted screwdriver to push away the pins from the basket slots. Note that there are 2 different tab styles. The adjustable tab requires a tool, but the intuitive tab version can be positioned with just your fingertips. For more information on the FOSC Enhanced, Premium, or Low-Profile Slack Basket, contact your CommScope sales representative or visit commscope.com.